Hi folks, I just wanted to make this quick video just to see if somebody could help me out because I can't see the recordings for the webinars. So in the old days, Sophie often would post up a link saying, hey, this is the link to the recording, and I could go off and watch it whenever I had some time, but I can't see those links. If I go inside the Product University and I scroll up and down here, I don't see them. The last session was on Friday, and even if I go back to last Friday, whatever, I just don't see it. If I search on Zoom or recording, I just don't see it. So if anybody has got a screen capture of them seeing the posts to the links to the videos, that'd be great because I could follow the links. If I go into the members area these days, this is me logged in. I've got 3 buttons here, and I'm trying to find where the recordings are, and I don't know where they are. If anybody can tell me, do a screen capture and tell me where they are. I don't see them, because if I go into Welcome Start here, I got a picture of Sophie. Hello, Sophie. And so we got a welcome message there, but there's no link to the recordings. If I go into the Amazon Navigator, I really shouldn't expect it to be in here, but let's have a look anyway. And I can see all the modules, but I don't see any recordings. So I'll go back to the dashboard. And if I go into Product University, which is kind of where I expect it to be, this is awesome that the audio's here on download, great for dog walks. All the modules here again, it's the same stuff, but I don't see any recordings. So, hey, I'm kind of lost, right? There's 3 ways in to this place, but I don't see any of them taking me to the recordings, and they all used to be there. They were indexed really well, and these days there's nothing there. So that's 2 minutes of me asking for somebody to help me out, because right now I do not get an email telling me when the webinar's on. I cannot see a Zoom link to any recordings or anything like that, and I can't find the stuff in the website. So if anybody could help me, that'd be brilliant. Thank you very much.